Welcome. If you've been wondering how to show message requests on the Instagram app using your PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the exact steps to make sure you never miss a message from someone new. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your computer. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials and access your account. Once you're inside, take a look at the left side of your screen. There, you'll notice a menu with several icons. Find and click on the More icon. It's usually represented by 3 horizontal lines at the bottom left corner. When you click the More icon, a new list of options will appear. From here, select Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage different aspects of your Instagram account. Look for the section labeled Hidden Words and click to enter. Inside the Hidden Words section, you'll see an option called Hide Message Requests. By default, this might be enabled, which means Instagram is automatically hiding message requests from users you don't follow. To make sure you can see all incoming requests, simply disable this option. Toggle it off, and from now on, any message requests will show up directly in your inbox. This update is especially helpful if you want to connect with new people, network, or manage business inquiries efficiently. With message requests visible, you won't have to worry about missing out on important conversations or opportunities. That's all it takes. By following these easy steps, you've ensured that all your message requests are now visible on Instagram's PC app. Stay connected, keep the conversation going, and make the most out of your Instagram experience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need it. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy your time on Instagram.